Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest digital marketing trends you need to know for 2024. If you want to stay ahead of the competition, grow your brand, and connect with your audience in new ways, these trends will be game changers. Let's get into it. First up is AI-powered marketing. Artificial intelligence is becoming essential in digital marketing, transforming how we create and deliver content. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney can generate content, automate customer interactions, and analyze data at incredible speeds. AI can also help with predictive analytics for better customer targeting, personalization at scale, customizing emails, ads, and landing pages based on user behavior, and AI chatbots for instant customer support, available 24/7. In 2024, if you're not using AI in your strategy, you're falling behind. Embrace it to save time and increase efficiency. Short-form video continues to dominate in 2024. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are driving massive engagement, especially with younger audiences. Brands are using short, snappy videos to deliver bite-sized content that's quick to consume but impactful. Here's why you need to jump on the short-form video trend. Videos under 60 seconds generate more views and shares. You can experiment with viral challenges, behind-the-scenes content, or quick tutorials. Authenticity is key. Polished, heavily edited content is out, while raw and real moments are in. Pro tip: focus on storytelling and make those first few seconds count. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, voice search optimization is more important than ever. People are using devices like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to search for products, services, and local businesses. In fact, by 2024, nearly 50% of all searches are expected to be voice-driven. To capitalize on this trend, optimize your content for conversational keywords. Focus on long-tail keywords that mimic natural speech patterns. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and fast-loading, since voice searchers often expect instant results. Trend 4. Influencer marketing evolution. Influencer marketing is evolving in 2024. Micro and nano influencers, those with smaller, more engaged followings, are becoming even more valuable for brands. Why? Authenticity and trust are key, and smaller influencers tend to have more loyal audiences compared to mega influencers. What's new for influencer marketing? Brands are focusing on long-term partnerships instead of one-off collaborations. Niche influencers are leading in specialized markets like sustainability, health, and finance. UGC, or user-generated content, is gaining importance. Partner with influencers to create authentic content that resonates with your target audience. Trend 5. Sustainability and purpose-driven marketing. In 2024, customers are increasingly prioritizing sustainability and purpose-driven brands. People want to buy from companies that align with their values, whether it's reducing their environmental impact, promoting social justice, or engaging in charitable work. Brands that integrate a purpose into their marketing are seeing stronger customer loyalty and advocacy. Here's how to leverage this trend. Highlight your sustainable practices, from eco-friendly packaging to ethical sourcing. Be transparent in your messaging. Customers can spot greenwashing a mile away. Create campaigns that focus on social impact and engage with issues that matter to your audience. Trend 6. The rise of interactive content. Interactive content is on the rise, and 2024 is the year to make your audience part of the experience. Quizzes, polls, interactive videos, and augmented reality are just a few ways brands are getting their audiences more involved. Why interactive content works? It's highly engaging and encourages active participation. Users spend more time on your site or social media page when engaging with interactive elements. It provides valuable data on your audience's preferences and behaviors. Try incorporating interactive content into your strategy to boost engagement and create memorable brand experiences. Trend 7. Privacy-first marketing. With growing concerns about data privacy and new regulations like GDPR and CCPA, 2024 will see a stronger focus on privacy-first marketing. Customers want to know how their data is being used, and brands need to prioritize transparency and consent. Here's how you can adapt. Focus on first-party data. Collect data directly from your audience through email signups, surveys, and loyalty programs. Be clear about how you're using customer data and always provide an option to opt out. Leverage tools like privacy-friendly analytics that don't rely on third-party cookies. Trend 8, social commerce growth. Social commerce is expected to explode in 2024, with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook enabling users to make purchases directly from posts. This trend is making it easier for customers to discover and buy products without leaving their favorite social apps. Why this matters. Social media is becoming a seamless shopping experience with features like shoppable posts and live shopping events. Brands are using influencer partnerships and user-generated content to drive sales. You can use social commerce to shorten the customer journey from discovery to checkout all on one platform. And there you have it, the top digital marketing trends for 2024. These trends are changing the way we connect with our audiences, and staying on top of them will give you a competitive edge in the digital world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with which trend you're most excited to implement. And don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss our future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.